And now to the crisis in Ukraine. Even more U.S. troops are heading to Europe today. 160 soldiers deployed from Fort Hood in Texas. They'll join thousands of American soldiers already over there. Meanwhile, a Russian-declared ceasefire begins in a matter of hours now. This comes after a day of nonstop shelling in civilian areas. The UN says more than 400 people have been killed so far. 800 more have been hurt. Almost 2 million Ukrainians have already fled the country. There's no word on how many, if any, are coming to the U.S. yet.
But the government recently announced there is help for Ukrainians living here. Angela Vargas found out what type of protections are available.
More than 1 million Ukrainians have left their homes to find safety in other countries.
My town was heavily bombed yesterday.
Natalia Malenko's family made it out.
It was my mom, my grandmother, and my mom's brother, wife, and daughter. They were able to flee safely to Estonia.
But her uncle sent her this picture of him ready to fight and save Ukraine.
He sent a message at around 5 in the morning, their time, saying that, hey, I woke up from heavy explosions.
Malenko was a former ODU athlete and now getting her master's degree. This means Malenko has an F1 student visa to work in the United States.
You're just only really allowed to work on campus part-time.
Last week, we heard Malenko's concerns about her visa expiring and not living in the U.S. But Citizenship and Immigration Services announced assistance for Ukrainians living in the U.S. due to the invasion. One of them is to help F1 students experiencing economic hardship. Virginia Beach immigration attorney Radlin Mendoza says Malenko and others can get ready to apply for temporary protected status.
They are allowed to be in the United States for a designated period of 18 months.
Malenko says if she gets TPS, she will be able to work anywhere.
Because I can do more things and provide for myself and hopefully for my family as well, because, you know, they left home without anything.
Attorney Mendoza says she's planning on setting up workshops for Ukrainian citizens to learn how to apply for a temporary protected status. In Virginia Beach, Angelo Vargas, 13 News Now.